Shoes to look for a suitcase. Ooh. So this one is good. I love this color, but it's not good enough. So this one is 70, and this one is 80, but this one is dirtier. We got the suitcase and more. We came here for one thing. All right, you guys, so I am about to start packing. This is what the bed is looking like. There are so many outfits. I got sunglasses, bags. I have a hat that I just found. So yeah, I'm trying to put certain looks together, and I have a small suitcase. So yeah, I'm really trying to be mindful of what I'm packing. But these outfits are just so cute. Yeah, it's a lot of outfits. So I'm gonna pack my stuff. Thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Edney. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into packing.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Got a roommate, call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I'll be over there. I'll be over there, shout it, I'll be over there. I'll be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know was there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last slice. Always felt like you were so accustomed to the fast life. Have a nigga thinking that he met you in a past life. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. You don't even trip when friends say you ain't bring a drink along. You know that I'm working, I'll be there soon as I make it home. And she a patient in my waiting room. Never pay attention to the rumors and what they assume. And until them girls prove it, I'm the one that never get confused. Get confused, get confused. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. I say you the fucking sex, love, pain, baby. I be on that tank shit. Buzz so big, I could probably sell a blank this. My album drop bitches apply for the picture, and niggas apply to and claim they got it for their sister. Magazine paper girl, the money ain't the issue. They bring dinner to my room and ask me to initial. me the referee, cause I be so official. My shirt ain't got no stripes, but I can make your pussy whistle. Like the Andy Griffith theme song. And who told you to put them jeans on? Double cup love, you the one I lean on. Feeling for a fix, then you should really get your feet on. Yeah, just know my condo is the crack spot. Every single show she out there rapping like a man.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
Let me hold you.
My nerves look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just I go what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Hope you know what you want. It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I go what I want. You do what you want. What you want.
I don't know. You can play loud.
Straight by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shut the one up, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my picture big to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, yes, I go what I want. It's some me time.
I don't know.
You know what you want.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
The next day.
Alright guys, so I'm off to my appointment. I am gonna do the Fulani braids, so I'll see you when I get there. Yeah, it's already a line.
Some people, she speaks
Yeah.
French, yeah. Me and my phone translating, like, it was terrible yesterday because once he left, she and the other lady, they don't
It is
speak
10
any English, so we were trying
o'clock.
to, you know,
They're
help
not
out
opening the
yesterday,
shop.
and we did.
2,000 years later.
So I'm gonna get the three goddess, right? She's gonna get knotless, and then her daughter. They're coming. Okay, so her daughter, I'm gonna sit her daughter here to get knotless. So you're gonna do it in that order. My three, her next.
All right, you guys. So for my hair, I ended up requesting Fulani braids. I think that's how you say it, Fulani. So I didn't get that, and I was really upset. And she basically did her own thing. And also another thing, she charged me one price before she started my hair, and then after she saw all of my hair and everything, she wanted to go up on a price. And I made it clear to her, you told me it was this price, and then on top of that, you did my hair a different way. So I wouldn't recommend coming to this location, honestly.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says it. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I